Need some extra reinforcement on those high stress points in your sewing project? A bar tack is your secret weapon. A bar tack is a series of small zigzag stitches sewn closely together to add extra strength to pocket corners, fly openings, or any other areas that are likely to come under strain. For super neat bar tacks, I like to mark a line to follow on the fabric with a chalk pencil or heat erasable pen, usually about 10mm or 3/8 of an inch long. To sew a bar tack, set your sewing machine to a zigzag stitch. For lighter weight fabrics, try a stitch width of 2.5 and a length of 0.5. Thicker fabrics may need a wider width and longer length, so practice on a swatch first and adjust if needed. Once you're happy with your stitch settings, position the needle over the area you want to reinforce and lower the presser foot. To keep the foot level over any bulky corners, press and hold the small black button at the back as you lower it. Sew for about 10mm or 3/8 of an inch, back tacking at the end to secure. And that's all there is to it. Easy peasy once you know how. Find lots more sewing tips and tutorials on our channel. Happy sewing!